lovelies. I am interrupting my Throwback Thursday video because I want to try something new on my brows, and I wanted to do a review on it. It is that, what do they call it? iMethod Liquid Eyebrow Pen that does strokes of hair. That's what it's supposed to do. Let me see. Method, the normal eyebrow person. Gently apply the pen to draw the contour of the brows and continue to color inside evenly along brow shape you draw. Last step for create the vivid and nature eyebrows. Okay, so we've got to outline them and fill them in. I'm really curious to see if this works. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like $11. Okay, so it's just one little pen though. Okay, I think I'm gonna need my big mirror for this. And I don't know if this will be the only brow product I will need, but we're reviewing it. And look at the tip. And it says I can draw with it. So I'm going to take that one part and outline my brow with that longest, what do they call that? That longest part of the brush. Right there. Okay. This is interesting. I did get like the medium because my hair is kind of dark, you know. Okay. Lining the top part. Again, turning it to where it's that longer, sharp edge. I'm just going over in gentle strokes. I have to tell you, it's very pigmented and it glides on. It's definitely not like a pomade where you have to make sure that you have a very sharp brush and all of that. So now that I've outlined them, let's see if I can fill them in like it says I can. Whoa, okay. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. I'm going to turn it towards the end because I have hair there. And I just want the color. Wow. I wonder if I can make it look like I've got more hair right here. Huh. Turning it. I'm just going in the direction of my brows. And I'm going to change the direction. Maybe I should follow it all the way down like that. Let's see if it can. How much it can actually do. I did not follow the upward strokes on this one, so that one's going to have to be fixed for sure. It's precise and kind of crazy. I was not thinking this would work at all. I'm just kind of playing with it. because I'm shocked. I have to clean this up, no doubt. But it's my first time playing with this thing, and I'm kind of in awe that it works like a marker, but as you can tell, obviously I need to fix these. But look at that. That's crazy. I'm like, okay, let me get my angle brush and my concealer, and let's see if we can actually put this in place where it should be. I've got my Jeffree Star concealer. I'm going to put some right there and right there. Okay, I might have to look away from you to do this, but maybe I can turn you towards the, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to pull that concealer down, and I'm going to pull it over. I can always touch up my eyeshadow. That's never a problem. Now I think that this part is too thick, so I'm going to fix it. What I want to do is grab a wipe or wipe off this brush, because you know that when the color can bleed, and I don't want that. So I can also dip my brush. Excuse me, my nose always runs after I put on foundation. And I can clean it up like that. I just dipped it in makeup remover. Just to, because the color ran quite a bit. And it's still running a little bit. So, where are my nifty little Q-tips or something? Okay, clean it up, Karen. Make that brow look normal. I do wish my lights were a little bit brighter. Yeah, I definitely need to use some makeup remover. It's like the iconic Brow London, to where it actually stays. It's like, I don't know, a temporary tattoo or something. All right, let me clean that up. Another Q-tip. Now I need to fix the shape of my brow. There's a little bit too much up there, so let me grab a little bit more. This is what I mean with, you can work with stuff. Don't get upset if you can't make a straight line with something, because you're honestly, that takes like forever to be able to do it that way. You start out with small strokes with everything. Don't think you can just and it'd be done. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so I just want to make sure my brows look even. Or as close to even as I can get. This is so weird. What do you guys think? Let's try and brush it out. Okay, where's my awesome brush that I have? Well, I don't have the awesome one in front of me, but let's use this and see if we can make them look somewhat natural. It definitely is like staining your brows. That is for sure. And I definitely think that needs to be a little bit cleaner, so I'm going to do that off camera, and I'll be right back. So I went back and took it off and went in with my Benefit eyebrow pencil to line. And I would only recommend this to fill in and use the strokes. Where did I put it? Now, mind you, this part right here, that starting point, you're going to have to switch it for each brow because you're going to want to go up and over. And then you're going to switch it up and over. And then when you're done, you take your concealer and you define it. What I need to do is lighten up a little bit at this point. I'm going to take one of these and just make sure that I have a flawless looking face here and brows. And I love these little brushes. And you want to wait until it dries, obviously, before you put the concealer on. But I'd have to say, I would recommend it if you struggle and don't have hair in the places that you want them, because it didn't do a bad job. We're going to see how my finished look comes out, and I'll let you know. So here is my finished look. And my thoughts, my final thoughts on this brow thingy. It's, I don't know, like $11 or something on Amazon, and I definitely would not use it to line your brow because it is like permanent marker in a way. But after you got the shape of your brows, slow strokes and up, if you're missing hair, I think that you might like it. So you might want to give it a try. I'll put the link below, and thank you so much for joining me for this review. Be sure to look out for my giveaway video and my Throwback Thursday. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful evening.